Hello everyone, this is Hualing with China Xinhua News. You'd never guess this place used to be a factory and empty warehouses and for a long time a forgotten neighborhood. But now it's one of Chongqing's coolest and creative urban space. So today I'm going to take you on a tour to find out why this city can turn its forgotten neighborhood into landmarks.
For decades, the Archang printing plant bustled with the clatter of machines. In Jiangbei district, Beicang, a modest textile warehouse, stood as a symbol of utility, but time moved on. Factories fell silent, these places aged, emptied, and slipped into memory. Instead of tearing the old down, Chongqing chose to breathe new life into it. With a growing focus on urban renewal, young creators, architects, and entrepreneurs infused fresh ideas into withered walls. At Archang, the buildings now house art galleries, boutique cafes, and experimental theaters, blending nostalgia with innovation. In Beicang, the warehouse now welcomes bookstores, concept shops, and weekend art fairs. These are no longer just buildings, they are living archives of Chongqing's resilience and imagination. In a city that never stands still, they remind us that transformation doesn't always mean starting from scratch. Sometimes it means starting anew with what's already here. From industry to inspiration, Chongqing's creative zones are more than a facelift. They are a revival.